Hello everyone, welcome back to Ayurveda. In the new lecture series of Samhitaadhyayan1, we have covered the topics Brihatrayi and Lakhutrayi from Introduction to Samhita. If you have not watched those videos, please do check out from our YouTube channel. Today, we will be covering the topic of Tandraguna. Let's move to the video. While choosing a literature for the study purpose, we have to assess certain things. That is, in Ayurvedic literatures also, we get references that a Samhita should be Tantra Guner Yuktam and Tantra Dosher Vivarjitam. That is, the Samhitas should possess certain qualities, that is Tantra Guner Yuktam, and it should be devoid of certain defects, that is Tantra Dosher Vivarjitam. So let's see what are the Tantra Gunas which are explained in our Ayurvedic literatures. The reference of Tantra Guna can be seen in Charaka Samhita Vimanasthana 8th chapter. It goes like Tatra yan manyeta sumahat yashasvi dhira purusha sevitam artha bahulam apta jana pujitam trivida shishya buddhihitam apagada punarukta dosham arsham supranita sutra bhashya sangraha kramam swadharam anavapatita shabdam akashta shabdam पुष्कलाभिधानम क्रमागतार्थम अर्थतत्व विनिश्चय प्रधानम संकतार्थम असंकुल प्रकरणम आशु प्रबोधकम लक्षणवच्च उदाहरणवच्च तद अभिप्रपद्येत शास्त्रम शास्त्रम हि एवं विधम अमल इव आदित्यतमो विधूय प्रकाशयति सर्वम. So let's see what each points tells about what is this Tantra Gunas dealing with. So starting with Sumahat, which is very comprehensive in providing all the informations. That is, if we are taking a literature of Ayurveda, we should get all the matters of Ayurveda Shastra from that particular literature. Yashasvi, which is very successful or which has been become popular or it is being in use by different people. Dhira Purusha Sevidam, which is being followed by prominent and wise men, that is successful practitioners or different other eminent people of that particular field is using this literature, that is considered to be Dhira Purusha Sevidam. Artha Bahulam, with detailed meanings, or it should have proper meanings, or it should convey all the meanings or matter of that particular Shastra or the science. Apta Jana Pujitam, it is being regarded by the authorities or it is being followed by different people of that particular community itself, that is considered to be Apta Jana Pujitam. Trivida Shishya Buddhihitam. So in Ayurveda, we can see that there are different references where Trivida Buddhi of the people are being explained. So a textbook should be considered as having Tantra Guna if it is being understandable by all type of people. That is, different types of or different levels of intelligent people are there. All should be able to understand what is mentioned in the Samhita. That is considered to be one of the Tantra Guna. Apagada Punarukta Dosham. Punarukti should not be present in a literature or in a Samhita. That is, the repetition of the matter should not be present. A topic which is being explained in one area should be having a proper conclusion and it should be ended there and it should not be repeated somewhere else. The repetition should be avoided and that is an Apagada Punarukta Dosham. Arsham, which is being told by different eminent scholars or as the Ayurvedic science is being delivered by the rishis and acharyas, it is considered to be Arsha. So, Pranita Sutra Bhashya Sangraha Krama. It should be having a proper presentation. If, for example, all the Samhitas, we can see that there is a Sutrasthana, which is a concise manner of all the topics which are being covered under all the other sthanas. And the other sthanas like Nidana Sthana or Vimana Sthana, Sharira Sthana, Chikitsa Sthana, etc. gives the detailed description of the matter which is being covered under the Sutra Sthana. So Sutra Sthana is a concise format or it is a just brief introduction to all the topics which are present in the Samhita, and the other sthanas gives a vast or detailed explanation of those topics which are being introduced in the Sutrasthana. So that is Supranita Sutra Bhashya Sangraha Krama. Sutra form should be there, as well as the bhashya form also should be present in the literature. Swadharam, it should have a firm base. It should be based on some concepts, or it should be based on some philosophical thoughts. Based on that, the topics or the other matter has to be explained in that literature. And it should be self-explanatory also. Already it has been told, Trivida Buddhi Shishya Buddhi Hidam. So whatever is being mentioned, the topics are being covered under the literature should be self-explanatory. Anavapatita Shabdam, it should be free from uncommon words. So at what time period the literature has been written, that words which are common during that time period has to be used in the literature. Other words which are uncommon to that period of time should not be used. Akashta Shabdam, it should be free from difficult words, as difficult for pronunciation or difficult for writing. It should be avoided, and that is free from difficult words, Akashta Shabdam. Pushkalabhidanam, with having comprehensive knowledge of the subject. So whatever topics we have to get from science or a literature, it should be present in that thing, or the textbook or the literatures. So if we have to study about Ayurveda, all those matters related to Ayurvedic science should be present. That is Pushkalabhidanam. We should get plenty of ideas from that particular textbook. Kramagadhartham, a proper sequencing or arrangement should be present. That is as like the sthana arrangements or the chapter arrangements or the topic arrangements, one after the other. It should have a proper sequence. One after the other, it should be having a proper meaning by that particular arrangement. Artha Tattva Vinishchaya Pradhanam. It should be principally arriving at the essence of thoughts, so that arthas or the tattvas has to be, avabodhana has to be obtained by reading this samhitas or the literatures. We should get the knowledge by reading this, or we should get the proper knowledge from the samhitas or the textbooks. So what topic we have to read, the proper knowledge of that particular topic should be obtained from that particular literature. Then Sangadartham, which reveals clear meanings and concrete conclusion. So whatever is being told in the literature, it should have, or it should not produce any doubt in us. We should get the clear meanings and we should be able to understand it properly, and a proper conclusion should be present for that particular topic. It should not be repeated somewhere else with some other doubts and all. It should be having a proper conclusion in where that particular topic is being mentioned. Asankula Prakaranam, focused on the particular subject without wavering ideas and irrelevant content. So what is the major topic or concern topic of that particular textbook is dealing with, that all the matters what is being dealing or present in that textbook should be covered under that particular subject. Ashu Prabodhakam, it should be quickly understandable. A person should easily understand what it is explained in that particular book. Lakshanavat, effectively comprehensible. So different definitions has to be given, or different cross references has to be given, so that it will be easy for understanding the matter which is being explained in that particular literature. And Udaharanavat, having definitions showed with examples. So various definitions of different topics will be covered under the textbook. If it is being given with certain examples, it will be very much easier for understanding. Like for example, we have the different nyayas which are explained in order to simplify the concepts which are being told in the Samhitas. So such way the nyayas or the upamas, such things will be helping in simplifying the matter which is being explained in the Samhita, so that the complex topics also can be understood very easily and faster. So these are the qualities a literature should possess, that is considered to be the Tantra Guna. So if a Shastra or a literature is possessing all these gunas or qualities, then that is considered to be a good literature, and it is being compared with some examples, that is Shastram hi evam vidham amala iva aditya tamo vidhuya prakashayati sarvam. as the sunlight will be removing all the darkness and brings the light. The same way, the Shastra or a literature which is having the Tantra gunas will be helping us in enlightening our thoughts and enlightening our ideas, and we will be getting the proper knowledge, or we will be able to understand the particular topic in a good and easier manner. So these are the qualities of a Samhita or the qualities of a literature which should be present in order to consider it for the purpose of studying or for other activities. Today we covered the topic of Tantra Guna, that is the qualities a Samhita or a literature should possess. In the upcoming videos, we will be covering the other topics of Samhita Adhyayan 1. Please do subscribe our channel for more updates and enable the bell button. Keep watching our videos and support us. Thank you.